Hello friends, today we will learn biological nitrogen fixation. There are two methods of biological nitrogen fixation, asymbiotic and symbiotic. So today we will emphasize on asymbiotic type of nitrogen fixation. So this topic, nitrogen metabolism, comprising the points introduction that we have learned last time, the biological nitrogen fixation, mechanism of nitrogen fixation, nitrate reduction, ammonia assimilation, and NEEP gene. So today we will study in detail biological nitrogen fixation. The conversion of atmospheric free nitrogen into organic form is known as nitrogen fixation. It is carried out with the help of prokaryotic living organisms, microorganisms. Hence, it is called biological nitrogen fixation. Biological nitrogen fixation is one of important process in the nitrogen cycle, and it is responsible for addition of nitrogen in the soil. The green plants are considered as evolved. They do not have appropriate machinery to fix atmospheric nitrogen, but the bacteria, blue-green algae, which are belonging to the prokaryote, has a relative required machinery to fix atmospheric nitrogen, and it is converted into the other organic forms like nitrite, nitrate, and ammonia, which is accumulated in the soil. The prokaryotic organism having nitrogenous enzymes. So the biological nitrogen fixation is a complex biochemical and physiological process. The prokaryotic organism that carried out the nitrogen fixation are called nitrogen fixers. There are two types of nitrogen fixation. First one, that is free living. It is also called asymbiotic or non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation, and second type is symbiotic nitrogen fixation. So free living means the plant alone fix the nitrogen which is get present in the soil, that are the blue-green algae, bacteria, and certain fungi. So in detail now we will study the asymbiotic or non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. So this non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation was firstly identified in 19th century by Vygotsky in 1894. He isolated free-living anaerobic bacterium Clostridium pastorianum. He made the culture and studied in detail regarding the nitrogen fixation. The bacteria which are successfully fix atmospheric nitrogen. Later on, the scientists were more emphasized and they studied the non-symbiotic nitrogen fixers, and they are classified into three groups, that are the bacteria, blue-green algae, and fungi. So the bacteria have the ability to fix molecular nitrogen. These bacteria require certain ions of minerals like molybdenum, copper, ferrous for efficient nitrogen fixation. The free living bacteria may be aerobic, anaerobic, or photosynthetic. There are certain bacteria which form the symbiotic association with a plant. The example is a rhizobium. So the aerobic bacteria belong to the genera Azotobacter, Bergeringia, Dirksia, Mycobacterium, Azomonas, Arthobacter. They are widely distributed in the soil and the water. These bacteria show the rapid growth and have high rate of nitrogen fixation. Azotobacter, under the favorable condition, may add an average about 10 kg of nitrogen per hectare per year in the soil. The anaerobic bacteria are the facultative bacteria belong to the genera Aerobacter, Klebsiella, Pseudomonas, and some obligate anaerobic genera are the Clostridium, Chlorobium, Chromium, Rhodomicrobium, Methanobacterium are also involved in fixation of nitrogen. They work in adverse condition also. They grow rapidly with moisture and nutrient, add more nitrogen in the soil. The photosynthetic bacteria like Rhodomicrobium, Rhodopseudomonas, D-sulfovibrio, and Chlorobium, they perform the photosynthesis and also involved in nitrogen fixation. So the bacteria, they fix the atmospheric nitrogen by nitrogen reduction process, which is explained as two molecules of the nitrogen called as dinitrogen convert into the diamide, which is converted into the hydrazine, and finally it forms the ammonia. So this ammonia accumulated in the soil, which is utilized by the plant. Next group of the nitrogen fixer is yeast. The role of yeast in the nitrogen fixation is very less studied. However, the pink yeast, that is Rhodotorola, is isolated from the soil and it is known to perform the nitrogen fixation. The third group of nitrogen fixer is blue-green algae. The BGA constituent an important group of the microorganism having capacity to fix aerial nitrogen. The blue-green algal members are the unicellular, they forming the colony or filamentous structure. The blue-green algae genera like Anabaena, Anabaenopsis, Olocera, nostoc, Cylindrospermum, Calothrix, Cytonema, Tolipothrix, Fissurella, Halosiphon, Stignoma, Chlorogloia and Mastigocladus fix the nitrogen biologically. Very important thing of this blue-green algae is the certain blue-green algae possesses the heterocyst. For example, the nostoc having the heterocyst. The heterocyst is the bigger cell and it is involved in the nitrogen fixation. The non-heterocyst possessing the blue-green algae are also there. The examples are Plectonema, Lingbaia, Oscillatoria, Trichodesmium. They are also performing the biological nitrogen fixation. The blue-green algae appears to be the main dominant group of a nitrogen fixer in the rice field. It is estimated that the blue-green algae may fix 2 to 5 kg of the nitrogen per hectare per year, and it is very important thing regarding the agriculture and the biofertilizers. So this is all regarding the nitrogen fixation, biological nitrogen fixation by non-symbiotic or asymbiotic or free living nitrogen fixation. Thank you.